for my county.
The National Weather Service in Pennsylvania has issued
Ooh, that's enough for me.
a storm warning for Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, eastern New York County in south central Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. At 6:44 p.m. National Weather Service.
My gosh, this is like food.
Severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Klein Filtersville to
What's up, people? Yeah. What's up, everyone? Yeah.
capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Newmanstown and Safe Harbor, Shanks Ferry, Willow Street and DeFreda, Leo in Denver, Delta and Strasburg, Adamstown and Paradise. This will impact the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 261 and 295. This will also impact the following major roads: State Highway 283, Route 30, Route 222, Route 322, Route 422, State Road 41, State Road 501. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts and large hail. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. Saturday evening for south central Pennsylvania.
Stop scaring me.
Special marine warning canceled. For the following area, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy...